Hey guys, hi. Once again, welcome back to the session. This is your master teacher Harsh Preman, and I am in front of all of you with a new session of some applications of trigonometry. So I guess you remember that in the last session also we were doing this height and distances, and there we had solved a lot of questions. So we'll be just continuing that journey today, and today we'll be talking about HOTS questions, like some high level questions of applications of trigonometry. Okay, so people, let's start that. And in the previous question session also we had solved some questions, so we'll be just continuing that journey. Okay, so here we go for the first question. Oh, this is the second question. Looks like probably they have forgotten to put the first question, or this is the first question. So number has been it has been put wrong. Anyways, let's start. Two poles of equal heights are standing opposite to each other on either side of the road, which is 80-meter wide. Now, this is 80-meter wide. From a point P between them on the road, the angle of elevation of the top of one pole is 60 degree and the angle of depression from the top of another pole at P is 30 degree. Find the height of each pole and distances of the point P from the poles. Okay. चलो तो देखते हैं how we have to solve this. So it says that this is 80-meter wide road. So we have a 80-meter wide road. Now two poles. So this is pole 1 and this is pole 2, and both of them do have equal heights like H and H. ठीक है. Now 80-meter wide, some from a point P between them on the road. Now between them does not mean on the midpoint. So please, most of the student does a mistake here, that they assume that in between the road means midpoint of the road, but that is not true. Okay, so here you will take a point P, and from here the question says that angle of elevation of one of the pole. So this is one of the pole. This angle of elevation is at 60 degree, and now the question says that angle of depression from another pole of the point P is 30 degree. Angle of depression. So from here, if someone looks at this point, the angle made is 30 degree here. So this will be 30. Now question says find the height of each pole and distances of the point P from the poles. So if I assume that this is my X, or you can assume it as B, whatever you want. So this is my base, and this entire road length, road width is given 80 meters. So this means very surely this remaining portion is 80 minus X. This remaining portion is 80 minus X. Okay. Now what do you have to do? You have to find tan 60. So let's find tan 60. Tan 60 is equals to perpendicular by base. Tan 60 is undoubtedly root 3. Do a cross multiplication. You'll get H equals to root 3x. Root 3x. Now in the same fashion, you will put trigonometry in this triangle also. So that will be tan 30. Tan 30 is equals to again perpendicular upon base. Base is 80 minus x. Sorry, this is 80. 80 minus x. Now we all know tan 30. Tan 30 is nothing but 1 by root 3. So let me write it down. So we have got h upon 80 minus x is equals to 1 by root 3 here. And according to this, we'll do a cross multiplication. This going to this side, this going to this side. Here we have root 3h is equals to 80 minus x. Needless to say that h is already root 3x. So you'll put the value here root 3x. Root 3x into root 3. That will be precisely 3x equals to 80 minus x, and hence you get x is equals to 20. Once you get x equals to 20 meters, so similarly you'll be able to put the value here, x value, and hence you'll get h. So h is equals to root 3 into 20, that is 20 root 3. 20 root 3. So we got what? We got h is equals to 20 root 3 meters. I hope you all get it. So height of the building is 20 root 3 and this is x is 20. So this will be 60 and hence we get the answer. That's solving this. X is 20. They have also taken it x. So x is 20 and this is 20 root 3. Height of each pole is 20 root 3. Fine. Chalo, moving on. Here's the next question. A pole 5 meter high is fixed on the top of a tower. Okay, so this is a tower. On the top of this tower, a pole is fixed like this. The angle of elevation of the top of the pole is observed from a point A on the ground is 60 degree. So there is a point A on the ground. From here, the top of the pole has been observed. That is 60 degree. Okay. And the angle of depression of the point A from the top of the tower is 45 degree. Now, please mind it. It is saying top of the tower. Top of the tower means base of the pole, because this is pole and this is tower. So top of the tower from here, someone looked at the point A and the depression which it is creating. Wait, let me just make a diagram more better. It's not looking so good. So yeah, here we go. So from point P, if someone is looking at point P, so that is 60°. And from this point, if someone is looking down on A, so this angle of depression is given here 45°. So if this is 45, I think you will be able to understand that this is also 45 without any doubt. Yeah. Okay. Now question says find the height of the tower. I don't know the height of the tower. Let me assume that tower height is h. And I hope you are understanding that if this is 45°, this is 90°. So this will become an isosceles triangle. Like if this is h height, then surely the base is also going to be h, because 45° means isosceles triangle. So this is an isosceles triangle. So this is h, this is h. Now I will apply trigonometry in this bigger triangle having 60° angle. This. So here, let me take, so this is 5 meter. Pole height is 5 meter. It's already given. So I'll apply tan 60 equals to perpendicular. This time perpendicular is 5 plus h, both. So I'll write h plus 5 perpendicular upon base. Base is h. This is h. Tan 60, we all know it is root 3. So do a cross multiplication, you will get h plus 5 equals to root 3h. And hence this h will come to this side. So we will have 5 equals to root 3h minus h. H will be taken as common. And hence you have 5 equals to root 3 minus 1 times h. This root 3 minus 1 will come in the denominator, and then you can either write h equals to 5 upon root 3 minus 1, or if you want you can rationalize this, and after rationalization you will get 5 into root 3 plus 1 and denominator will have 2. So both way it's fine. Either way, whatever you do. Okay, let me show you the solution. So 5 upon root 3 minus 1 they have got, see here. This. So 5 root 3 is 1.732 minus 1, and then root 3 minus 1 is 0.732, 5 upon root 3 minus 1. So that is what they have got. They have found the decimal value, but hardly matters. You can find decimal, you can even leave decimal. If root 3 value is not specifically mentioned in the question, here it is not mentioned root 3 is equals to whatever, then you can simply leave. If you remember, you can put it. Okay, chalo. Next question. This next question says, the angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the same level as the foot of the tower is 30°. Okay, so this is a tower. From the foot, the angle of elevation is said to be 30°. Like let this be the top of the tower. So this angle of elevation is called as 30°. This is A. On advancing 150 meter towards the foot. Now towards the foot means someone moves towards the foot and comes at point, let's say B. The angle of elevation becomes now 60°. So from here, the angle of elevation becomes 60°. Okay. And how much advancement has been done? It is 150 meters. Show the height of the tower is 129.9 meters. So here we'll have to use all the values, like root 3 is 1.732, root 2 is 1.414, like that. So we have to find the height of the tower. Let's find that. So first of all, I don't know about the base. Let's call the base to be x again. So I'll apply tan 60 first of all. So tan 60 is again perpendicular upon base, h upon x. Tan 60 is root 3. Do a cross multiplication. We will have h equals to root 3x. This is first thing. Now moving ahead, this is first thing. Tan 30. We can put tan 30. Tan 30 is what? Perpendicular upon base. What is base? That is 150 plus x. Base is 150 plus x. So what is tan 30? We all know tan 30. Tan 30 is nothing but 1 by root 3 equals to h upon 150 plus x. Do a cross multiplication. So hence you get root 3h equals to 150 plus x. Very easily you can put the value of h equals to root 3x here. So here you can put root 3x, root 3 into root 3, 3x. So you will have root 3x equals to 150 plus x, and hence if you solve it, x is equals to 75. 75 meters. Once you get x equals to 75 meters, you can even find h. H is nothing but root 3 into 75. So 75 into root 3 you have to finally calculate, means you have to put the value of root 3. So you will write 75 into 1.732, and that is going to be 129.9. I did not multiply it, but I was knowing that this is going to come because answer is given like this. Okay. So I hope you understood that. Let's see. X equals to h by root 3, the same thing. 75 root 3, they have also got it. Now this is 75 into 1.732, that is 129.9. Cool. Balle balle. Okay, next question. It's not over yet. So those people who are liking these videos, these sessions, hit the like button first. That will help you in getting the same type of videos more in your recommendation page from YouTube side. Okay. So just hit the like button. Next thing, those students who want some more support from Vedantu, from me, from other master teachers, support as in like doubt support, like they want to clear their own doubts, they want to talk to me, talk to us, all the teachers, they want test, they want assignment, that after class sir we need assignments, if they need that this written notes, handwritten notes, whatever I'm writing, if that student needs that notes as well. So all these features are available in Vedantu Pro subscription. They all are available in Pro subscription. So how you can join this Pro subscription? Very simple. You have to just go to the link vdnt.in/ytpro. This link is given in the description box also and in the comment also. You can just click on this. Once you click on this, you will get all the details. Check out all the details. At the final payment page, before clicking on option proceed to pay, use this coupon code HPEPRO. This will allow you a extra discount of something around 15 to 20%. Okay. So this will allow you 15 to 20% discount, and hence you'll be able to get into the session more easily. Okay. Chalo, moving ahead. Here we go. Next question says the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from 2 points P and Q at distance A and B respectively from the base in the same straight line with it are complementary. What it means? Question says that you have a tower and from points P and Q. So on the ground you have a point P and on the ground you have a point Q. So from this point P and Q, someone is looking at the top of the tower. So first of all, that this point P and Q is at a distance A from the tower and this one is at a distance of B from the tower. So first thing is this, and the angle made by these towers. So say for example, if I name this theta, so this angle will be 90 minus theta. How did I get it? Because question is saying that these angles are complementary. Complementary means what? That sum of these angles, angle P plus angle Q, should be equal to 90 degree. Complementary means 90 degree. So if I assumed angle P to be theta, angle Q will automatically come as 90 minus theta. That is why I have written like this. Okay. So this is one thing. Prove that the height of the tower is root AB. We have to prove this. Let's see how we are going to prove it. So first of all, height of the tower, I'm assuming h. Let's apply tan. So tan theta is perpendicular upon base h upon a. Agreed? Agreed. Now this is tan theta. Let it be like this only. Now I'll write tan 90 minus theta. Tan 90 minus theta means what? I'm taking this angle. This angle is being considered. Here if I take this angle 90 minus theta, perpendicular is still going to be the same, h. But this time base is going to be B. This is the base, B. Fine? Okay. Now, do you all know what is tan 90 minus theta? I guess you might be knowing what is tan 90 minus theta. So, tan 90 minus theta is nothing but cot theta. Yeah. And that cot theta can also be written as 1 by tan theta. 1 by tan theta. So, finally, what you got? You got 1 by tan theta equals to h upon b. This is h upon b. And this is 1 by tan theta. You already have the value of tan theta. Tan theta is h by a. So what will be the value of 1 by tan theta? What will be the value? 1 by tan theta means a by h. Very simple. So this a by h, reciprocal of this, is equals to h by b. What do you have to do? Cross multiplication. So ab equals to h square. Once you get h square equals to ab, this means h is going to be root ab. And that's what you have to find. H equals to root AB meters, and that is the height of the building. See here, the same way they also did. uh, this thing h square by ab cot alpha tan alpha, they actually multiplied it. Like we could have also done it, that they got cot theta and they got tan theta, they multiplied it. So that could also have been one of the method, h by a into h by b. That also would have given you the same answer. So finally we got h equals to root ab. That's it. Okay, so moving on, next question. A man is standing on the deck of a ship which is 10 meter above the water level. Okay, so this is the water level, let's assume, and there is a man standing at a height of 10 meters. Now he observes the angle of elevation of the top of a hill. So hill is also going to be at the from this level. So he observes the top of the hill and the angle of elevation. So for angle of elevation we'll make like this. Angle of elevation is going to be 60 degree. This is what the question says. And the angle of base of hill is 30 degree. Okay, so here they have forgotten to mark that it is depression, it's not elevation. But anyways, we are understanding that from here, if someone looks at the base of the hill, the angle of depression is 30 degree. Cool, cool. Calculate the distance of the hill from the ship and the height of the hill. Okay, distance of ship from the hill. So I guess you can assume that this is x. If this is x, surely this base, this portion is also going to be x only, This is 10, so surely this is also going to be 10, and this much is h. Cool, cool. Now let me just put tan, trigonometry. Tan 60 is h by x, perpendicular by base. Tan 60 we all know it's root 3. Cross multiplication, h equals to root 3x. That's it. Tan 30 in this triangle. So if I put tan 30 in this triangle, this is the perpendicular side. So I'll write tan 30 is equals to perpendicular. What is perpendicular? 10 upon base. Base is x. Do we know tan 30? Yes, it is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 equals to 10 upon x. Very simply, we got x equals to 10 root 3. Once you get x is equals to 10 root 3, you can actually put the value of x here in this equation, and then you can get h is equals to root 3 into x. So in place of x, I'll write 10 root 3. So that is 10 root 3. Root 3, 3 tens are 30. So hence what we get h equals to 30 meters. So height of this much portion is 30. So height of the entire hill, so height of hill is nothing but 30 plus 10, that is 40 meters. And the distance between them is 10 root 3, which is 17.32 meters. That's it. Okay, let me show you. This is going to be this complete solution. 17.3 is the distance WD and the height of the hill is 40 meters. Correct? Okay, next question. This next question says, a bird is sitting on the top of a tree, which is 80 meter high. Okay, so there is a tree, 80 meters high, bird is sitting here. The angle of elevation of the bird from a point on the ground is 45 degree. Okay, so from a point on the ground, the angle of elevation is 45 degree. Fine. So one thing is very clear, that if this is 90, this is 45, this will also be 45, and hence this triangle will be isosceles. So hence this is also going to be 80 meters. Next, the bird flies from the point of observation horizontally and remains at an constant height. Okay, so this means that bird is flying from here to here. How did I find it? Because I am able to see that angle of elevation is reducing. So I'll have to make one more diagram. Sorry, I made a wrong diagram. Wait a second. So first of all, this is the tree, and here is someone observing the bird. So this is 80 meters. This is angle of elevation is 45 degree. This means this is also going to be 80 meters. This is also going to be 80 meters. Now from here, bird flies, and again after 2 seconds the angle of elevation. So here the bird is. So now the angle of elevation, it has been reduced and it is now 30 degree. So assuming that bird has the same height, that bird has not changed the height, it has only changed its position horizontally. Question is even written that after observation horizontally. So bird is moving horizontally. So this perpendicular height will still be same, 80. Now we have to find this distance. Let's call it x. We have to find this distance because question is asking us find the speed. And how would we be able to find speed? We need distance because we know time is 2 seconds. Bird took 2 seconds to move from this position to this position. So we just need a distance. Okay. So now let's apply for that distance. Here we go, people. So first of all, this 80 is known. Now I will be just applying this 30 degree, tan 30. Tan 30, that is perpendicular, 80 upon base. Base is 80 plus x. I hope you are understanding that this is 80 plus x. And this tan 30 is nothing but 1 by root 3. Do a cross multiplication. So doing cross multiplication will give you 80 into root 3. That is 80 root 3 equals to 80 plus x. Very simple. X is nothing but 80 root 3 minus 80. 80 root 3 minus 80. That is the value of x. So x is 80 root 3 minus 80. This is the distance which bird traveled in 2 seconds. So if I have to find speed, speed is pretty simple. Distance 80 root 3 minus 80. Distance upon time. Time is 2. So if you calculate it, that is precisely 40 root 3 minus 40. Hence, you can just find out 40 common and this will be root 3 minus 1. Yo-yo. Fine. So this is meter per seconds. People, this is meter per second. And you have to take root 3 equals to 1.73. It is given here. So you can just write 1.73 and hence you will have the value. Let me just put my camera here. So this will have 40. 1.73 minus 1. So that is precisely 0.73. So 40 into 0.73. And now you will calculate. So if I am not wrong, 4 3s are 12, 2, 1, 28, 29.2. 29.2 meter per second. I don't know any bird who flies so fast, but anyways, this is given that this bird is flying at a speed of 29.2 meter per second. Okay, let me show you the solution. 40 into root 3 minus 1. 40 into root 3 minus 1. This is the final solution. And okay, they have not found the final value, but final value will be 40 into root 3 minus 1. So you'll put the decimal and that will be 29.2. Okay. Fine, folks. So I guess that was all for this session. I hope you liked and enjoyed the video. So just hit the like button. This will allow YouTube to send the similar videos of mine related with this chapter, which I have taken in past and which are relevant to you. Okay, so that will help you. And those people who want to join Vedantu, you're more than welcome. So method of joining Vedantu is very simple. There would be a link given in the description box and in the pinned comments. That link must be vdnt.in/ytpro. Just click on that link. Go ahead, check all the details. Before doing the final payment, you will be able to ask for a you would be asked for a coupon code. There, put a coupon code HPEPRO. This coupon code will allow some extra discount over the discounted price, and then you'll be able to buy this course in a cheaper price. Okay, so that was all, people. This is just one example. So 1 month course right now is costing 2,700 rupees in Vedantu. If you put the coupon code HPEPRO, this course will cost you 2,159 only for per month. Similarly, for 3-month course, 2,333 rupees per month is the cost. So if I just multiply it, this is something around 7,000 rupees. If I'm not wrong, this is 7,000 rupees for 3 months. But if you put the coupon code, this 7,000 course will come in 5,600 rupees. So from 7,000, you got a discount of something around 1,400 rupees, 20% close to. So 20% discount you will be getting here. Okay, so that's it. Balle balle, Eureka. Okay, so people, that was all for this session. See you all in the next session. Till then, yeah, it's less than lace. Okay, so till then, bye bye, take care and good night. Have a wonderful evening. See you guys in the next session. Bye bye. Good night.